Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect Bluetooth Subaru Outback. Start by parking safely and turning the ignition to accessory or on. Enable Bluetooth on your phone and stay near the vehicle. On the car display, open the Bluetooth or Settings menu and choose Add Device or Pair New Device. Confirm the PIN shown on both devices and accept pairing prompts to complete the connection. Test audio and phone calls before driving. Follow the on-screen prompts to pair step by step while keeping the car stationary. Tap Add or Pair on the head unit and watch for your phone to appear in the device list. Select your phone, verify the numeric code that displays, and tap Confirm on both the phone and the car. Allow any permission requests for contacts or messages so features like caller ID work. Wait until the system reports a successful connection. If this walkthrough is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more practical tips. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker delivers crisp sound and easy voice control, so it pairs perfectly for listening while on the go or in a garage when testing audio connections. It's compact, affordable, and sounds great for daily use. Check the description for the link and extra deals. Then now let's get back to the video. If pairing fails, try simple fixes before advanced steps to avoid frustration. Restart your phone and the car head unit and toggle Bluetooth off and on. Remove old or unused pairings from both devices, then attempt pairing again. If problems persist, perform a soft reset of the car's infotainment system or consult the owner manual for a master reset option. Finally, test with a different phone to isolate whether the issue is device-specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.